Hello.
Welcome.
Yeah. Is this Mr. Vincent's residence? Odinawa?
Yes.
Can I?
That is the daughter.
Oh, that's the daughter, right?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Hi, Mom.
Hi.
Please, is this Mr. Odinawan's residence?
Who are you? And is he expecting you?
Yes, he is expecting me. My name is Meki Zedek, but you can call me Zedek.
That's a brilliant name.
Thank you.
Are you the one that he said you would be coming to visit him this afternoon?
Yes. He actually asked me to knock on the gate and I'll see the gate man. Are you the gate man, sir?
Let me take you to my Oga.
Alright, that's fine. Thank you.
Yeah.
I suppose you're the gate man, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah.
As I was saying...
Don't bother yourself. You said you're not going to wash. I'll wash it myself.
Ah.
Yes. Come, let me ask you something. What do you think about that young man? The one that just walked in.
What do I think? I think that he is a human being.
My friend, will you get out of my sight? Next week.
Catapult. Shooter. What do you think? Toothpick. Want to eat every meat in the pot. Welcome. Okay. Welcome, sir.
Hey, Choco, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. I'm fine. Anything in the car?
No, just nothing.
Ah, welcome, sir. Welcome.
Hey, Choco.
Okay.
I thought I've asked you to stop washing my daughter's clothes. Hey, Choco, you are supporting her irresponsibility.
I am so sorry, Oga. I am so sorry. But you know that Madam Kosi can be violent at times. And I would not want to be a victim of her violence. It's just small clothes. I'm sorry.
Ichogo.
Oga?
Are you not a man? If Kosi Sochukwu commands you wrongly, resist her. Say no.
Okay, Oga. I'll do as you say, sir. I'm sorry, sir.
By the way, where is she?
She should be inside. Inside with some friends.
Some friends?
Yes, Oga.
Batting, give me your hand. You like it. I know what you want. Keep your hand. Can I see? Fast. You have to start paying money. How much? It's not. Okay. Ah! Jeez. Jeez. Hey, stop laughing like no. You are a spoiled brat. You are a spoiled brat. What is going to go to my Come here. It's not taking anything. Drink something. You're a bad girl. No, you're always oh, God.
Hey!
Oh, babe.
What is all this?
Who is this old man?
Get out.
You are shouting too much. Behave yourself. Yeah, is that the way to shout? You're an old man does not mean you have sex. You want some? You don't have sex. You look like... Hey. You want some? I don't know why. You look like my old sugar daddy. Let us go and leave this stupid man alone. Let us follow the children. I'm going home. She's from... Oh, God, hi. Where is the road? See your back. Carry me, go now. What's the case?
You are a disgrace to me. A beautiful girl brought up with every good thing of life by all standards. And all you do is drink and smoke your life away with hard drugs.
Hey.
I have done everything virtually possible to make you responsible, but hell no, you have refused. Where did I get it wrong? Where?
Okay. Steve, my friend, I forgot my bag in this place, and I cannot find my bag.
Take your stupid bag and get out of.
Where is my bag?
Look at it there. Take it from there and get out from there.
I am going. Stay in your old house.
Get out.
Look at her.
Look at you. Who is look at my
I'll see you later. Later.
Father. Now you should not conform my life according to your absolute patterns. You have your life to live. I have my own life to live. Can you mean absolutely nothing? Even the tiniest grain of sand, you do not mean that much to me.
Don't you dare raise your voice at me. Silly. What is all this?
Hi. Hello. Good evening. Please, my name is Melchizedek. I'm one of the new corps members posted to this village. I'm trying to get to Fina Green International School for my PPA. Do you know the place?
The time is 5 p.m. In fact, it's almost 6 o'clock. School closed by 1.
Excuse me, sorry. Do you know of any corpus lodge around here? Do you know any corpus lodge where I can stay?
Follow me.
You know anywhere?
Come on, follow me.
Oh, okay. All right. Thank you very much. Thank you.
minute.
Hey.
Sorry.
Okay. Close the gate. Close the gate.
Oga, she had a gun in her hand.
Ichoku, shut up and close the gates.
Where did she get gun? Eh? Oga, I saw gun. How did she get... Okay.
Ichoku, will you keep quiet? Shut up!
Into my house like that?
Come to tell you, to warn your brother. Warn your brother to stay away from anything that concerns me. Otherwise, I will do something regrettable to him.
Adoma, you speak about your father with so much anger and resentment. What happened? Remember, he's still your father. I have come to say to you what I want to say.
Warn your brother. Warn him to stay away and stop standing in my way. Otherwise, I will kill him.
I said I need to go to the Corpus Lodge.
There's no Corpus Lodge in Weibo. We only rent apartments for court members to stay during their youth service time.
Hi. What do I do now?
Don't worry. You can stay here for the meantime, pending on when they will accredit you guys. Then you can go and rent your own apartment, maybe a mansion, if you so wish.
Alright, thank you very much. Please, can I get water to drink?
Sure, of course.
Alright. Oh, it's crazy.
Here we are. Have it. Why frowning? You wanted a sachet water, but trust me, this one is purer than sachet water.
No, it's okay. Just. Ow.
What?
No, I haven't eaten all day. I guess the water just kind of reminded me. Yeah.
I don't have food though. I didn't cook. But there's this cake I brought home from my friend's party. Do you want it?
Yeah, sure, I don't mind. I'm hungry.
Okay, you like it. Very nice. 1 minute.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, I have been standing here since you called me, but you are not saying anything.
Oh, I'm sorry. Now tell me, what do you think can influence a young lady most?
A young lady, influence. Her friends. Her friends can influence her to do things together with them.
That's why I like you. You are very intelligent.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Tell me again. What do you think can influence her not to do the biddings of her friends?
Her mother. Because of the closeness she will have with the mother. Her mother can influence her not to do the biddings of her friends.
Her mother?
Sometimes, sir.
If Krosi's mother were to be here, she would have helped in bringing her up as a responsible young.
Sometimes, sir.
Ichoku.
Yes, sir.
Ichoku, what is this thing with you and this your stupid response of sometimes, sir?
Sir, I am sorry, sir. But you see, apart from the influence she will get from her mother, her man, the man in her life, the man who she will succeed in falling in love with, can penetrate her and influence her emotions to the point that she will do anything and everything that the same man will tell her to do. Man, very important. Love. Okay. Did you hear me?
Ichok, I am thinking. All right, you may go. Thank you.
Thank you, Baba.
Do you like it? It's called brownies.
Yeah, it's really nice. I like it.
I know you will like it.
Good night.
Eat. Do you do this? You want some?
No, I don't smoke. Mm-hmm. Oh, shit. Sorry, what did you say this is?
Brownies. Best cake. I know you're gonna like it.
Okay, I don't understand what's happening to me right now. Like,
What?
whoa. Okay.
Come here. And then you want some? Come here.
Wait, hold on. I need to drop this. Just put this down.
Gently. You wanna drag some?
Okay.
Easy does it. Easy. Easy. That's it. Correct. Easy.
Ow.
Come on, baby. I see that I'm sorry about what happened last night now. Besides, we both enjoyed it.
Can you shut up, please? Can you keep your mouth shut? Stop talking.
You were actually very sweet and gentle. Okay, sorry. I was actually high on Molly.
And you drugged that evil cake. Right? Hey, God, Zedek. What the hell are you doing?
Is that your name?
See, we barely know each other when having sex unprotected. This is so absurd.
Forget about the absurdity. We are both adults. we both can enjoy our youthfulness. Anyways, my name is Abigail. Go get ready so I can take you to wherever you said they posted you. And like I said, you were very sweet, gentle, and you know how to use your hands. I enjoyed every bit of it. Come on now.
Can you stop touching me, please? What the hell is wrong with you?
What are you saying?
You need to take it easy on this girl, brother. She's becoming an adult.
Adult, you say? She needs to drop her addictions. I'm afraid I might lose her to her addictions.
She will change. I'm telling you, she will definitely change. If she gets married or sees somebody she loves.
That is totally my fear. Which man will marry a sickle cell patient who indulges in all sorts of hard drugs? I spend a lot of money on a regular basis for her blood transfusion.
Please, we need to take it easy with this girl. We need to do that. Because this girl is becoming more violent every day. And she may do something that will ridicule the family and bring shame.
Okay. About what Ichoko suggested, what do you think?
I totally agree with him. But I think we need to, it has to be on contract basis. What do you think? There's this copper that reported to school today. The way I say the man, he is morally coordinated by all standards.
Okay. Maybe we need to see him. He may be of help to us.
Yes, he will. But I need to go home first. And we need to find out where he lives. Maybe this evening or tomorrow.
It's okay. Drink up. Let me pick you up your mouth, okay?
Thank you.
I have to attend my PPA. Besides, a copper friend of mine decided to, squat me in his house.
Oh, baby, we can stay here together.
Hey, listen. I am not your baby. My name is Melchizedek. Alright?
Okay, fine. See, I'm used to you around. I don't want to stay without seeing you. I want to go out and come back and see you around.
Listen, I'm sorry, I can't stay here. Alright, I have to leave. Listen, I have to leave. We can see ourselves some other time when the opportunity presents itself. Yeah.
I think I love you.
Take what? You want to bath?
And what is going on here?
I don't know. She just started acting strange. I don't know.
Hi baby, what's the problem? Ow, calm down. Just leave her for me and go back to your duty post.
How can I go back to my duty post? She's dying. I try to help her, even if you let her take her bait or something.
I say leave her for me. Go back to your duty post.
There is no mosquito here.
Go back to... I need to scream at you.
Sorry.
Leave. Go back to... Hi baby, come on. Relax. Come on baby. It's okay, I'm coming. Alright? I know your antidote. Calm down, baby. Sweetheart. Keep your hand here.
Why did you take so long?
It's okay, baby. I'm so sorry. It's not gonna happen again. Trust me.
Bet it doesn't happen again.
I know. That's why I'm your best friend. Come on, let's go inside the house. Yeah. Easy. Easy does it. Yeah.
I know what you want.
I told you about, that is newly posted to our school.
Good afternoon, ma.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Good afternoon. Yeah.
So where are you going?
I got somewhere to stay down the road, so I'm heading home. Yeah.
Down there?
Yes.
This is my brother.
Oh, okay. How are you?
Fine, thank you, sir. Nice to meet you, sir.
Do you mind if we drop you off?
Thank you very much. I'll appreciate that. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, okay. So I'll just put my bag in the trunk. Thanks a lot.
Baby yesterday was something else, man.
What happened yesterday?
My girl, I met one guy yesterday and he went home with me.
We had a lot. And I thought I'd go a man for myself. But this morning he left. To where I don't know. He didn't even tell me where he was going to. Anyways.
Abigail. You're a mean girl, you know that, right? How did I not get invited? I mean, we should have at least had a threesome, you know. Of course.
You bad girl. Yesterday was bad. My girl. Was bad.
Anyway, don't worry yourself. Soldier go, soldier come. Barracks, remain.
You know, my friend, don't say before, now guys, they dumb girls. But this time, we dumb boys.
Abigail, I don't trust you. Are you sure you did not get dumped? Not the other way around. You.
My friend, I will look for him and I'll bring him back to Mama. He has to come to me.
I trust you. I know exactly what you can do.
You there, baby. You there. Bad girl.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine. You're welcome, sir.
I am here to see Melchizedek.
Melchizedek?
Yes.
I hope there's no problems.
Oh, not really. There's something I would like to discuss with him. Can you please call him for me?
All right. Just a minute, sir.
Really? Where? Over there. Oh. Okay.
How are you?
Fine.
How far?
Welcome.
All right.
Welcome.
Yeah.
Well done. Where is it? Oh.
You know him?
Yeah, sure. Give me a second. Hello, sir.
My brilliant friend.
How are you, sir?
I'm good, and you?
Fine, thank you, sir. Good day, sir.
Thank you. Okay. The few moments we spent together yesterday showed me how brilliant you are.
Oh, thank you very much, sir. I appreciate that.
It's okay. And please, if you don't mind, can I have a few moments of your time?
Sure, sir. How would you like my time to be useful to you, sir?
All right. First of all, my name is Vincent Odinawa.
Okay.
A retired Deputy Commissioner of Police and a businessman.
My pleasure to meet you again, sir.
Same here. My daughter's life is in danger. And if we don't do something, and quickly too, we may lose her.
Sir, you may need to sit down.
It's okay.
Just give me a second.
Close to Sochukwu, my daughter, is a sickle cell patient. And she's also addicted to various forms of hard drugs, which she indulges in as a result of bad influence by her friends.
I'm sorry to hear that, sir, but sir, with all of your exposure, how did you let things get to this point? I mean, how did your daughter become a sickler?
It's a long story. 25 years ago, when I was young, you.
Odinamwa, you know how busy you can be. And I felt this relationship should be built on trust.
My love, I trust you. But you see, ascertaining our genotype and blood group are very, very important in this relationship.
My genotype is AA and my blood group is O positive. This is the same result I get anytime I go to check my blood test, including when I did my matriculation.
Honey, I believe you so much. Come here. I think we need to run the test again, please.
You keep talking about running a test when you know how busy you can be. You will hardly have time to schedule a meeting with a doctor. Listen, I have a fellowship to attend. Please, can I go?
Yeah.
Can I?
It's okay. You can go.
What is wrong with me? She might be right about her blood group. She is too educated not to know all that. And my father is on my neck now because I'm the only son. What will I do?
Brother, I don't know what you're talking about, and I don't accept your arrangement with Papa at all.
Chege, why do you hate Antonia so much? Please stop this hatred. It's not good for you.
No, I don't hate her, brother. I can't support you marrying a woman who is older than you for any reason.
Look at you advising me on who to marry. You don't support me marrying a woman who is older than me? What do you know about love? Okay, now, listen. Let me tell you something about love. Love can be found in the most unpleasant places, in an unpleasant circumstances. I have found love in Antonia. Okay?
Not Antonia, brother. That you are the only son does not mean you will die early.
I understand Papa's point. And I will marry Antonia.
What about the necessary checkup? Have you done them?
I have not really had time for it.
Oh, really? I can see you're busy serving your country with all your strength and forgot to do the important things in your life.
Chige, how old are you to tell me what is important in my life? If you must know the important thing in my life right now, Antonia is the most important thing in my life. I love her and I must marry her. Come, wait, who are you to advise me, sir? Eh?
Your sister.
My sister. Come on, get out from here.
In your wildest dream.
Please don't come to advise me again about my love life. You are single and you are talking... Oh, God. I trust Antonia. I know she's not lying to me. I must marry her. Yes. I must marry her. Is this a mistake or something? Is this a mistake or something? Huh? Antonia, how? Antonia, how could you? I know I am AS. You told me you are AA. How come our baby with SS genotype? How, Antonia? Tell me!
My love, I am sorry. I couldn't find the strength to tell you that I was AS.
What?
I didn't want to lose you.
You don't want to lose me. Antonia, can you listen to yourself? Do you know the perpetual condition you've subjected this baby to? Do you know the psychological and emotional conditions you've subjected this baby? Antonia, what kind of nonsense is that? What kind of nonsense is this?
I am sorry. I didn't want to risk losing you. But better for worse in such a long journey.
Will you shut up? Will you shut up, Antonia? Hey!
I'm sorry. I'm safe walking through that journey of life with you.
Oh no. Oh no. Antonia, I am so devastated right now at your selfishness and obsession you call love. Antonia, what?
I love you.
You don't love me. You don't love me. How can you do this to me? How? Antonia, you've killed me. You've killed me. You've killed me, Antonia. Antonia! Hey, baby. Stop. It's okay. Antonia, why? Antonia, why? Go see. Come. Now listen. Daddy loves you, okay? Okay? Yeah.
In conclusion, I shall give you 10 million naira as my support for you to further your master's degree program. And another 5 million naira for you to keep. That is, if you can make my daughter change and pack her bags and go to Canada, where she was offered admission to study civil law.
So I'm very sorry to disappoint you. I can't. So I can't date your daughter on the basis of deceit. It is against my moral beliefs, sir. I can't do that.
Melchizedek, please do not see it as deceit, but see it as your own contribution towards saving the moral values of a dying young lady. You are brilliant and handsome. My sacrifice of a daughter will like you, and then both of you will become friends. And gradually, you will influence her to change positively.
Sir, what if I can't change your daughter? I feel like sometimes it is very difficult to influence an adult, to change an adult. That's not right.
I know, but love is a pivotal point of every influence. My daughter will change only if you speak the language of love to her.
So the truth is, I have a woman in my life. And at this point, I can't cheat on her or disappoint her for any reason.
I am not asking you to love or sleep with my daughter. I am only asking you to save a soul. A sickle cell patient and a drug addict. That's dangerous. If she dies, I will lose her. And as you can see, I am not getting any younger. Please.
So this is very difficult. It's actually impossible because I can't. Sir, you don't understand. I don't want to. Sir, listen, I don't want to lead your daughter on, and eventually, I dump her. Sir, it is a crime. Deceit, sir. So no wrong is justified here. And your request is... Sir, your request does not make sense.
As soon as my daughter leaves this country by September, you will go back to your normal life. Please help save the soul. I beg you. I don't have enough time. Please.
No. Come on now. What's wrong with you? No. Don't say that to me. Listen to me. It is unacceptable to morals and reasonable facts.
No, come on. Zedek, look, if I were you, I would accept this offer. Okay? I will accept this offer. Okay, think about the money. Think about what this money will do for you and how this money will change your life. Come on now, bro. The rational thinker that I know will not have difficulty in pulling out this stunt. You will not. You will do this thing. It's so effortless.
You expect me to just take the money like that?
Of course, yes. I mean, what are you thinking? Take this money. Come on. It's just a game. Okay? Look, it's just a game justified enough to change your life. Zedek, this opportunity might not come again. Okay? It might not come in your lifetime.
You don't understand, do you? I have a woman I love.
Eukarya? Oh, come on, Zedek. The same girl you told me about that you felt something for back then in your city, that you both lacked the courage to express your emotions. Zedek, come on. Take this thing now. Pull this stunt. Come on, bro. You can do this now. Eh? Okay, think about this. I mean, think about how this money will change your life and that of your Eukarya. Okay? 15 million naira, bro. Come on now, Zedek. You can do this.
You have big mess to clean up. There are problems everywhere, but this is different. You have big mess to clean up. There are problems everywhere, but this is different. You should be worrying, yo, and do the needful. But if I can play, you have big mess.
Do this thing. There's nothing there. It's just a game.
You think he will give me the money eventually?
Well, the desperation I see in him, he appears to be a man of integrity, so I feel he will give you the money. Think about it.
You have big mess to clean up. There are problems everywhere, but this is different. You have big mess to clean up. There are problems.
You do life the way it is, becomes something that people will think that you have money that and everything is.
Ichoko. These are my clothes. Take this. I want you to wash them sparkling clean, okay? And that's not all, okay? You go into my room. You see some shoes that I packed by the side. Make sure you polish them nicely.
Madam, I'm so sorry. Oga is around and he has warned me to stop washing your clothes. He wouldn't want me to enter into Oga's trap.
And who are you? A second-class citizen to tell me what to do, to flout my orders. Who are you?
I'm sorry, but I cannot wash your clothes. I don't want to enter into Oga's. Somebody is at the gate. Onya? Hello. Welcome.
Yeah. Is this Mr. Vincent's residence? Odinawa?
Yes.
Can I?
That is the daughter.
Oh, that's the daughter, right?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Hi, Mom.
Hi.
Please, is this Mr. Odinawan's residence?
Who are you? And is he expecting you?
Yes, he is expecting me. My name is Meki Zedek, but you can call me Zedek.
That's a brilliant name.
Thank you.
Are you the one that he said you would be coming to visit him this afternoon?
Yes. He actually asked me to knock on the gate and I'll see the gate man. Are you the gate man, sir?
Let me take you to my Oga.
Alright, that's fine. Thank you.
Yeah.
I suppose you're the gate man, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah.
As I was saying...
Don't bother yourself. You said you're not going to wash. I'll wash it myself.
Ah.
Yes. Come, let me ask you something. What do you think about that young man? The one that just walked in.
What do I think? I think that he is a human being.
My friend, will you get out of my sight?
Catapult. Shooter. What do you think? Toothpick. You want to eat every meat in the pot. By the month end now, they'll give me my salary, so I have to put 40,000.
Hi, Chief.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much, sir.
Please sit. I am expecting good news.
Chief, I've accepted to do what you want me to do, and as well as help redeem your daughter.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome, Chief.
You've really made my day. May God bless you abundantly for this resolve.
You're welcome, Chief. But my only challenge is, would she accept me? Would she allow us achieve our primary aim?
My daughter likes handsome and intelligent men. She will like you.
I hope so. Because I feel like she would probably see me like other men who she can lure into her bed. And if I don't meet up her sexual desires, she would probably, you know, go back to her old ways.
No, my dear. The longer you excite her to patience, the more attached she will be to you. And her curiosity will help you influence her the more for a change, because you are different.
I hope so, sir.
Yes. Okay. Let's go outside so I can show you around.
All right, no problems.
Love more, and you go get love more. Where you love more. From the moment I set my eyes on you, my life never remained the same. Baby, look at me. You only got more. You got more. From the first day you took my heart away, I can't believe I'm in love.
Yes.
Oh, my beautiful daughter.
Hey, Dad. Hi.
How are you doing?
I'm fine, Dad. So you have got a new friend?
Yes. His name is Melchizedek. He's the son of my friend and colleague who were in active service.
Oh, that's wonderful. You're welcome.
I'm very delighted to meet you.
And pleased to meet you too.
Thank you. Appreciate.
All right. It's all right. Let's go and sit down. Go and
Sure,
sit down.
sure, Chief. So, how much are we looking at? I know you said you got the land.
Yes, that was some 5 years ago.
5 years ago.
But then, it was not still cheap. I mean, anything that a land was for, anytime you buy it, that's the cost.
Right.
Yeah. It cost me like 750 per plot. That was 8 years ago.
Okay.
But meanwhile,
that's a long time ago.
Yes, but I told you that my daughter will like you. I told you.
She looks like a nice person. So.
Yes. Yeah, I'm glad she likes you. Ichoku. Ichoku. Please come.
I beg you. I tire no be laziness, I swear. I wash all these clothes finish today. Shoot Peru. Shoot Peru. Shoot Peru. This headache, no start today. No start, I beg.
Hello.
Welcome.
Thank you. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Please, I'm looking for one copper by name Melchizedek.
Melchizedek?
Yes.
I'm sorry, he's not around. He stepped out not quite long, some minutes ago. I hope there's no problem.
No issue, no problem.
Okay.
Okay then. When he comes back, please do let him know that I asked after him.
Who asked after him? I don't even know your name.
My name is Abigail.
Okay. Abigail, I will deliver your message.
All right, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I'll take my leave.
All right, no problem. Oh, wow. I don't understand again, my guy. You don't make it say they're just the popular in here at this period. This one no bad, sir. We are just set in here. My guy. Oh boy.
Dad, you sent for me.
Yes, my darling. I need you to do me a huge favor. Please help me drop off Melchizedek at his place.
And why do I have to do that?
I am actually expecting someone, and very soon he will be here. Come on.
Okay, I'm actually busy, but I will oblige you.
That's my daughter.
Dropping him off won't be a bad idea, after all. I will go in and get the keys. Yes.
I knew it will work. Now the ball is in your court.
I'll try my best, Chief.
All right. I'll be inside.
All right, I'll just wait for her at the car park. Thank you.
From the moment I set my eyes on you, my life never remained the same.
Hi.
Hi. I hope you enjoyed your stay with my father.
Oh, of course I did. I mean, we both had a productive conversation, so yeah.
Okay. So, shall we?
Oh, sure.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
From the moment I set my eyes on you, my life never remained the same. Baby, look at me. Darling, come
Thanks for the ride.
You did not tell me your name.
already told you my name is Melchizedek. I said that before.
But you did not ask for mine.
Kosi Sochuku. Your father mentioned it to me already.
Ah, look at that. That's so smart. You know, I honestly don't laugh easily. But you've been cracking me up. Let me pry a little. And tell me about yourself.
There's nothing really special about me. I'm a core member in this town. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, I sort of sense the reluctance that comes with you trying to talk about yourself. Do you have a girlfriend?
Alright, that's my private life, and I feel like I owe you no explanations. Yeah.
I'm fascinated by your guts.
I don't mean any embarrassment. I just like to take charge of my life. Yeah.
Okay. I understand that. That's okay. But, would you mind, I come once in a while to check up on you,
That wouldn't be a problem if you knew how to respect boundaries and respect opinions and principles. Yeah.
Oh, that's fine.
All right, good. Enjoy the rest of your day.
All right, you too.
All right.
Take care. You too.
All right.
From the moment I set my eyes on you, my life never remained the same. Baby, look at me. Rolling up from the first day you took my heart away. I can't believe I'm in love right now. Rolling up
Sit down. I have practically lost hope of your coming. What happened?
My brother, the main meeting took a very long and argumentative turn.
Okay.
No whose house. And I must confess that it's not in your favor.
Ichie, how can't it be in my favor when it is the turn of our clan to provide the next king of this autonomous community?
But Makile is equally interested in the truth. And if care is not taken, he will win you by majority vote if the cabinet resorts to voting.
That is not possible. I am more influential than Wakile. Not to talk of my philanthropy to this community and the entire nation at large.
That is true. But everybody knows about the wayward lifestyle of your daughter. That is true. But everybody knows about the wayward lifestyle of your daughter. She will dent our image, since she does not represent the core value of discipline that we are known for. Moreover, you do not have a son who will be conferred with the title of Tabansudo, a conscience of peace and purity.
That is political nonsense. Wakile is married without a child.
But his wife has not been proven barren by every standard. And he is younger and more energetic than you are.
Absolute local political gibberish.
My brother, forget grammar. You can marry again.
But Ichie, you know everything. And my philophobia after my last encounter with Antonia.
You are supposed to have overcome your fears after 25 years. Moreover, if you still want to be the king, you must initiate strategies to that effect. Otherwise, Makile will take over the throne. But remember that whoever loses in any contest, most especially politically, becomes socially comatose.
She is correct.
Think about it.
Chukwu okike nalunzu, ani nalunzu, obosawulu nalunzu, afọ, eke, oria, nkwọ, nalunzu. Ọ na-eme n'ihu anyị nọ n'azụ, ọ na-eme n'azụ anyị nọ n'ihu. Ọ ma mekụta ụmụ anyị, ọ ma mekụta ndị afọ n'anya, ndị fọ anyị n'anya, ọ ma mekụta anyị. Otu ogbe mepụla anyị ụzọ. Nna m mepụla anyị ụzọ, mapụla anyị ụzọ. Ezigbo ozi ka anyị ga na-anụ n'isi ụmụ anyị, ka ndị nọ n'ọfịa, ka ndị nọ n'ụlọ, ka ndị nọ n'obodo oyibo. Mmiri mewe afụma, ikuku mewe afụma. Ihu n'ihu ka a na-afụ eke enwe. Ihu n'ihu ka a ga na-afụwa. Ishagwari.
Same old story, Father. Same old story. I think it's time you relocate and stay with me.
My daughter, this is where I belong. The sacred snake that warded off my enemies is still here. And this is where I belong. I cannot leave it behind.
Your Asian stories are becoming unbelievable due to modern inventions, Father.
No matter whatever the Western world would like to infuse in us, this is where I belong. I can never live here because this is where I will die and stay put. The best you can do for me, see this my little place of abode, make it more comfortable for me. That's all. I don't need any other thing.
If you say so, Father, I hope you change your mind someday.
I won't.
I brought some money for you.
Oh, thank you very much, my daughter. This will be okay for me. Take this, please. I am giving to you because you are the reincarnation of my mother. Pico, take it from me. To make me happy. Thank you very much.
Father, when will you change? Everyday reincarnation, Asian stories. Anyway, I miss you.
My daughter, I appreciate. But the leopard can never change its spots. This is where I belong.
I have given you my heart. Please take it, it's all yours. Baby, take my heart, control me. As you will, love is what I need. I'll be
Mbalo, the beautiful priestess of Ojirike, the guardian goddess of Akukwibo.
You're welcome.
If women were present during creation, men would be bereft of their tongue.
Well, maybe. But men will not lose the use of sign language in communication. And me? I will continue to praise and admire your beauty that typifies the Mumuawa, that shines light even when darkness envelopes everywhere.
Your praises suits my soul.
Welcome. Come and sit.
I have given you my heart. Please take it, it's all yours. Baby, take my heart, control me. As you will love is what I need.
If you had married me, I would have been relaxing in my husband's house. I wouldn't need to trek under the scorching sun, you know. I would have just driven just like every other lady would do.
I know. But don't worry, things will soon be put in place.
Are you sure?
Yes. But like I said before, do you mind if we start with champagne?
Abalanili rice. Abulezi ike.
I know. I'm coming. Alright? Alright. The priestess of Ojirike.
Yes, please.
You are beautiful.
I have given you my heart. Please take it, it's all yours. Baby, take my heart, control me. As you will love is what I need.
You're welcome.
Thank you, no.
Whatever made you to visit me today is a serious one.
Oh no. Huh? Odnawa is a man that always puts his ear to the ground. I am only surprised that I am yet to get your support in my desire to become the king of this kingdom.
You know, it's not in my position to crown kings. My clan is only to make kings. We don't crown kings.
I know. But oh no, I want to become the king of this kingdom. And I believe you can make that happen.
That's going to be very difficult. Nwakili is gaining support from everybody in the community. Everyone.
No. Then what should I do?
Go and put your house in order first. You see, the waywardness of your daughter is putting a lot of indelible mark on you. And it testifies that you cannot manage your home. So how then will you manage a great kingdom like this when you cannot take care of your only daughter? The first institution of leadership is your home.
This world is deeper than you're thinking. You want to become the king by all cost. Don't forget, they say charity begins at home. To be wapu sisi di madnanya, gulugado za wapu kegi. And they say I have given you my heart. Please take it.
The man borrows the most prettiest and the most powerful also.
Good afternoon.
No.
I have not complained about your dealings with that lady, but I would not like you to bring it to my face by bringing her to my matrimonial home.
Don't you think you're being paranoid for no reason?
Paranoid, you say? Are you working out on me because of that?
I have given you my heart. Please take it,
Why would he not deny me attention? I mean, I'm a sickler. And nobody would want to identify with a sickler. Someday, very soon, just a number of days from now, and I'll be dead and forgotten.
You want to become the king by all costs. Don't forget, they say charity begins at home. To be what was in the Madinanya, look at those of what put kegi. And then see no Marama, Wanama, Ongana Kiri, do not want me want to. You have big mess to clean up. There are problems everywhere.
Why are you doing this to yourself, knowing your condition? Why?
Dad, these addictions you see, these addictions are born out of depression, knowing that I will die someday.
Sweetie, all of us are going to die someday.
You very well know that mine is different. Mine is different. I have been marked by faith to die young. And I guess you don't see it. You do not even see the depression that I have to face simply because of your mistakes and carelessness. You don't see it.
My baby, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Sorry? What do you think sorry can do? Except to be saved in a box, to be brought back on my sympathizers after breath has been snatched from my nostrils. I am going to keep taking whatever will bring me out of this misery. That reminds me that I'm a sickler and I'm going to die someday.
My baby, drug addiction, it's not the solution. It will only make your matter worse. Please try to understand.
Kosi has found comfort in this. And I am going to keep doing them. There is nothing you can do about it. You are a wicked father, and it's your carelessness that brought me forth. I swear with every single thing that I hold there, I will never forgive you. So stop making it look like it's my fault, because it is not my fault. Leave me alone! You dare not see
I have given you my heart. Please take it, it's all yours. Baby, take my heart.
Hi, Melchizedek.
Hi, Kosi. What's up?
I'm good. I mean, I've been waiting here like for so long, even before the school dismissed. I asked some pupils to call you. I don't know if you saw them.
They did, but I couldn't come. I was busy. What's up?
I'm okay. I'm fine. I was, just bored sitting here and waiting for you.
Sorry, waiting for me? Why is that?
Why are you so harsh, Melchizedek? I mean, courtesy demands that when you're talking to a lady, you talk to her with some respect.
I just asked a simple question. I said, why are you waiting for me? Simple English. It's English language. Why are you waiting? Something wrong?
I thought that we could go grab a bite somewhere.
I never told you I was hungry. Besides, I can take care of myself. I'm an adult. Do you have something else to say? All right, then. Have a great day.
From the moment I set my eyes on you, my life never remained the same. Baby, look at me. Rolling up from the first day you took my heart away. I can't believe I'm in love right now.
Bread. I don't want to eat bread, please.
Wait, what do you mean?
What do you mean, what do I mean? I don't want to eat bread.
Do you have a choice?
Meaning?
Theo, do you have a choice? You don't have a choice. You came back from work before me. Why didn't you cook? Why did you not cook? There's yam, there's noodles. Why didn't you make any of that?
Hey, you know what, Zadek?
What?
Look, I don't have strength for your yabbing right now. You know I don't like cooking. Not as if I don't know how to cook. I don't like cooking.
Baba, chop this bread, Jerry.
I don't want to eat bread. You know what? I think we should just have look for a girlfriend. You know, look for a girl that will be doing all this things.
Look for a girlfriend?
Yes.
I don't understand. Must I have a girlfriend? Are you not a grown man?
I don't understand.
Can't you cook? Don't you have hands?
I don't know. I don't like cooking. You know I don't like cooking.
So I should cook for you? No, tell me you don't like cooking, so I should be the one to cook for you.
No, is it my duty to cook for you? Since you enter the kitchen, there's no food. You cook now.
Baba, chop this bread.
I don't want to eat bread. I don't want to eat bread. Now, chop this bread. I don't want to
eat bread.
I don't want to eat bread. Though. Look, I'm suspecting you. Eat your bread.
Okay,
eat
why didn't you cook?
Well, why didn't you cook? Since you enter the kitchen,
I just got back from...
Okay, wow, here comes the Messiah.
Hey.
Me to eat bread.
Okay, I brought you guys food. Good food, as against this bread junk after a long day at school.
Sorry, can I have that, please? Thank you. Excuse me. I don't care about your food. I want my bread, all right? Thank you.
No, that's not true. That's a lie. We're not okay with the bread. We're okay with the food. Thank you very much. You know, I have heard so much. I mean, I've heard so many good things about you, and bringing this food at this right time is actually a wonderful confirmation of who you are. Thank you for the food.
You're welcome. Okay, so what good things did you hear and from whom?
Okay, Zadek here said you are a good and harmless person. In fact, you're a wonderful person. That's true, right? Is that not what he said?
Okay. Let's just go ahead and have lunch. Yeah?
Okay, thank you. Let me quickly get spoon and plate.
My life never remained the same. Baby, look at me. Rolling up
I'm not blind.
From the first day you took my heart away. I can't believe I'm in love right now.
Hey, what did you go to Moro's house to do? Huh?
I went to set the record straight.
What record are you talking about?
Answer me, I don't have your time. What record are you talking about?
Her job in this kingdom is restricted to her shrine and not extended to my family. So I went to tell her to stay away from my husband.
What? You did what? Eh? You did what?
You will dare not raise your hands at me.
Now let me warn you. Let me sound it to your ear. Remove yourself from whatever that concerns me. You have to do your wifely obligations. Did you hear me? If I get you a meter close to Boro's house again, you will not like what I will do to you. Nonsense. Okay.
Okay. thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Right.
This.
Okay. Let me quickly wash this off. I'll bring it back.
Can I get some water?
All right.
Be fast, though.
All right.
Hey, thanks for the food.
You're welcome. I knew you were going to like it.
Yeah, tasty. I'm enjoying the meat. Kosi. What do you want from me?
I don't know.
Listen, this question is really, really important to me. So I need you to be sincere. Just tell me, what do you want from me?
Believe me, Zedek, I really don't know.
Kosi, if you're looking for sex, I'm sorry, I can't give you that. Because I'm not ready for any relationship. I have big dreams to chase. I want to be very focused. I don't want any distractions. So I have nothing to offer you. I'm sorry.
Are you being serious, Zedek? Does that mean that you cannot be my friend?
We can't be friends. We're not compatible. Our beliefs don't match. Our social status does not connect. So what exactly do you want?
You. Yes, Zedek, I want you to be mine. You say I've been socially rejected because of the kind of life that I live. Okay, but now I want to regain my acceptance. I want to be a changed person, and I believe that that genuine change can come from you because I love you.
That's not possible. We're not compatible. Our social status don't even match. Kosi, we're from two different worlds. Different backgrounds, don't you understand?
Zedek, you are distinct. You're different. I mean, you know, you're just very different from every man that I've been with. I've always had materialistic men at my beck and call, but you see, you are very different. You are deep. So deep. I mean, and you're out of my reach, yet I know that I still want you.
Kosi, I think I understand what you're trying to do. You're trying to categorize me. You want me in the list of men you have slept with. right?
No, Zedek. This is different, okay? Zedek, you are contagious, okay? You're different, just distinct. I mean, that I want you. Please, permit me to be with you, to be close to you. I want you to. My heart yearns for your companionship.
From the first day you took my heart away, I can't believe I'm in love right now.
Good day, sir.
You know I am not supposed to be seen here because of our secret deal. Why have you refused to visit me at eateries? Why?
I apologize, sir. I'm actually an introvert. I was raised not to go out a lot. Yeah. Besides, sir, I'm a very shy person. I get very shy when I'm in the midst of a lot of people. Find it pardonable to sit with me on my bench, sir.
It's okay, but straight to the point.
With due respect, sir, I feel very terrible. I feel like I'm leading your daughter to a valley of love that does not exist. And out of my own deception, she's beginning to develop feelings. And I feel very guilty, sir.
Melchizedek, stop feeling guilty. You use this opportunity to lure my daughter into loving you so that you will be the one that will make her change for the better. When you do that, guilt will vanish. And then you will be proud to be the one that actually perfected her change.
Sir, you don't understand. My conscience, I can't stand it. It's fighting me. Sir, deception is not a part of my moral standards. Sir, you need to understand me. I feel very terrible. I feel bad.
And who told you that your conscience will be at rest? When you realize after youth service that there is no job and you don't have a sponsor for your master's degree program, how can your conscience be at rest when after youth service you also realize that you turned down a millionaire offer? Do I need to remind you of the dollar equivalent to the naira? Let me tell you, you will know no peace when you realize that you refused to walk into the circle of millionaires, all because you are chicken-hearted.
Sir, I'm not.
For your information, I am traveling out soon. When I come back, I expect to see results.
Love more, and you go be love more. Where are you? Love more. Oh my heart, I have given you my heart. Please take it, it's all yours.
Wakil, what is the meaning of this nonsense?
I knew you were going to pass here, so I decided to come and make you an offer.
What offer?
Come on, listen to me. This is not time for the weak and the old. Alright? Pentecost. So, I have come to make you an offer. He step down. Return to your scabbard. Return to your scabbard. Name your price. I will pay you. Once I become the king, about prime minister, about special advice and piagi. About special advice and piagi.
Wakile, I have never insulted your father. And I won't have you insult me. Now get this nonsense out of my way.
Old one, you are an abandoned property. And I will not live here until a compromise is reached. It's either you step down or we'll step you down. Then we fair. Okay, ngwa now. You know you're not come. Ngwa now. Back here. I'm out for zone. Eh? On Chikriki na SNL. Okay. You know me I here by Jet Li. You know me by Commando. Or Commando Kikwado by American style. Once to go the real now. Let me go and prepare for this dance, for this music you have started. Ma walegi off man.
Okay. Wakile, the next time you try this nonsense, I will make sure I shoot you on the legs. And it will be on self-defense. Now get this nonsense out of my way.
Man, you do a room of piaga as a maco. Remember that I'm a listen. And I'm not why it's one of me. It's not one me, it's not me. It's not me, I saw.
Wakile, you've dead me. We shall see.
My God, crap, boom. You got one on there. One touch. Staying glass of run iron, a boom all fashion.
This world is deeper than you're thinking. You want to become the king by all cost. Don't forget, they say charity begins at home. To be what possesses.
Sir, I'm sorry, I'm not aware of that.
You should be aware of everything. At least you are her caretaker. You are supposed to keep an eye on her.
Excuse me, sir. What am I, your daughter's bodyguard?
Yes. You are her bodyguard as much as you can. She left the house to see you and came back all bruised, saying she got into a fight. How come you are not aware?
I'm sorry, sir. I'm not aware that your daughter got into a fight. Besides, I'm not going to assume the responsibility of watching over your daughter. Sir, it's not my job.
Add it to your SOP. I don't want my daughter to get into a fight again. It will ruin my chances and the reputation of being the king of this kingdom.
Sir.
If my daughter is known to be rascally and I cannot control her, then how do I prove to the people that I can control the entire kingdom?
Excuse me, sir. How's that my fault, and what was I supposed to do?
Abandon all you were doing and give her attention. You could have escorted her home to ensure her safety.
Sir, I'm sorry, I'm not the right person for this task. I don't have the type of patience it requires.
I don't need patience. All I need is commitment. With commitment, patience will come.